How to transfer OS to SSD on PC. Open Macrium Reflect Tool site. Site link in video description. Download and install Macrium Reflect. Open Macrium Reflect. Click the checkbox next to the hard drive with your Windows installation. Click Clone this disk. Click Select a disk to clone to. Select your new SSD and click Next. Add a schedule or click Next. Click Finish. Click OK. Restart your computer. Boot into the BIOS. Access the boot section of the BIOS. Move the new SSD above the old hard drive. Press F10. Right-click the Windows Start menu. Click Disk Management. Right-click the old hard drive. Click Format. Type a new label for the drive optional. Click OK. Click OK. This erases the entire drive and leaves you with a new SSD with your Windows installation and your old hard drive as a backup drive for storage space. Thanks for watching video.